Welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. I'm your host, Adrienne Boswell. Today, I'm making my rendition of the shrimp pasta dish from the Bluefin restaurant in Columbia, South Carolina. I had this when we were on vacation and I loved it. It's similar to my ginger man shrimp and pasta, except this one has blue cheese. I'll put a link to that in the description too. It's pretty simple to make. The mise en place includes shrimp, fettuccine, garlic, blue cheese, broccoli, butter, cream, white wine, flour, Old Bay seasoning, sun-dried tomatoes, freshly ground black pepper, and Parmesan for garnish. First, boil the pasta. Did you know you could give cold pasta water to your plants? It's very good for them, but don't salt the water. If you have a steamer for your pasta pot, put the broccoli florets in the steamer. Steam the broccoli until it's tender but still crisp. If the pasta is not al dente by that time, remove the broccoli from the heat and set it aside. While that's happening, in a saute pan, saute garlic in the butter until it turns translucent. Don't let it burn. Add the shrimp and saute them until they're nicely pink and have started to curl up. Deglaze the pan with the wine. Don't let the shrimp curl completely. Remove them from the pan and set them aside, keeping them warm. Keep the liquid in the pan. Add the flour to the saute pan and mix it until it starts to turn white. Add the cream and milk and stir until the mixture thickens. If it doesn't get thick enough, add a little more flour. When the sauce is thick enough to coat the back of a spoon, add the blue cheese and Parmesan and let them melt, thoroughly mixing them in. Add the shrimp back in and coat them nicely with the sauce. Add the broccoli and sun-dried tomatoes and toss to get everything coated in the sauce. In a large pasta serving bowl, add the shrimp mixture, toss and garnish with the remaining basil and some shaved Parmesan. Serve it with a nice salad and white wine. I hope you enjoy this as much as I did. You'll find the recipe for this on the website. Subscribe so you can get my newest recipes. See you next time.